Hey everybody, it's Mark coming back at you. To do a recap of Athens. We have been here before. I want to come on a few days later, but I guess the rains wouldn't have it. It's been raining off and on, so I thought, a few days later, skip a few days and try to come back and do a little bit of a recap. I have been here before. Nice big area too. Nice and quiet, peaceful. Kind of makes you want to build a tent and sleep out here. But anyway, yeah, I'm doing a little bit of a recap. Show you what kind of nice area this is. Lots of hills, ups and downs. Kind of like a roller coaster. Yeah, that tree's kind of bent over if you can see it. And once again, my dogs are out here. I show you them in a little bit. Nice big open area. If you have any dogs, nice place to take them. Nice big open area. Hopefully if you bring your dogs here, they'll be nice and trained as well. They can run free. Well, like to have to train. If not, keep them by your side. I take for a little bit walk, a little bit of a walk. Yeah, another big open area. Athens is like full of fields and open areas, open vast areas. Very nice open area. It looks like they could build a house in here somehow, some such of a way. See? Nice big area. I guess you can see where the divide line stops and ends. It starts here. So this one part, two parts field. This part here goes wherever that way. And this one, the shorter end of it, from here to, yeah, over there. Let's take a walk along the lines. Hope everyone could hear me out there. I was making this video. It's like a nature walk. Can't really see that, can you? That's like the tallest part of the field out here. Can't really see it, can you? That's a joke, by the way. Yep. Now we're getting actually some tall grass, weeds, and stuff like that. For all purposes though, per se, I don't want to come out here at night. Who knows what's out here at night? Who knows what's out here? Personally, I don't want to know what's out here at night. Your guess is good as mine. Oh, let me introduce you to my little buddy. Go get you. Go get. Yeah, come on, boys. Go get you. Anyway, that's my dog Remy. I showed you Sam. He's the stronger of the two. See, the reason why Remy is off the leash, and we spell R-E-M-Y, but anyway, the reason why he's on leash and not being held, he's pretty much trained, surprisingly enough. But just on the off chance, we keep him on leash because in case he tries to run away, we get a stomp on him and grab it right away. Sam, on the other hand, he's a different story. I'll tell you one about that next time. Why he got this built-around trash can is beyond me. The old stumps here. More stumps. Higher ones. Place you could do your barbecue. Got a few stumps here and there. I guess they say if you could read them right, if you could read the circles on the trees, you can tell how old the tree is. That's what I've heard anyway. Some trees you really can't tell the circles. It's a bit damp in certain places because, like I said, it rained a few days. That don't count. That just washed the spigot, but that don't count. I'm saying no. In that barbecue area, they got a few here and there, but you can tell these guys haven't been used in a while. Barbecue and leaf. I'm playing. But yeah, anyway though, they got, for like, in case you want to come in here and bring a picnic, bring some food, they yeah, remember I showed you the swings and slides. If you're having kids or this is what you call outside the box. I was in here like in the first part one of my video, I was inside, but now I'm talking outside the box. More, they got a lot of stumps around here. I guess the trees have been cut down some odd years ago. I don't know when, that's why they're all gray and kind of bad looking, if you ask me. Got all kind of stumps, but I didn't come out here to look at them. I'm just going to show you the park and everything. These things drop out of the tree. They're all kinds. An empty one. Guess these green things come out of them. The information thing here. Yep, I just heard one on there. Yeah, let me show you my other dog. Where's my little buddy at?
In the car.
Already?
He went on his own. Santa, look at your daddy. I swear I'm itchy again. He's been hunting.
See, this is my other dog, Sammy. He gets kind of funny sometimes. Sometimes he likes to dig dirt, and a lot of times he'll get this.
Be prepared for a dirt clod in the mouth.
Yeah, see, there you go. He does this, and I'm not telling him to do this. He does this on his own.
No! Come here, Bubba.
See, he does this, and it's kind of funny, weird at the same time.
Sam, you can't do that.
He'll do this, and he thinks he has a mole, but I don't know.
It's just the smell.
It's a smell he gets in.
Don't.
We can cover it up later. And then anyway, after he does this, somehow he'll get a clump of dirt in his mouth, and
Come on.
somehow he gets very protective. He gets kind of funny about that. But anyway, remember I was talking about leashes? Yeah, this one you gotta hold. Because if he gets away, yeah, it's trouble. This little guy, he's not so problem at all. He likes to run here, there, and everywhere else. And he's just full of energy.
Come on. We're going to have to go get you a
Right.
drink.
Right.
We're going to have to go get you a drink. All right, mister, trying to burrow your head in the hole.
Yeah. That's my two dogs.
Need some help here in a moment.
And his wife Heidi there.
Come on, let's go.
Let's go check out the sign here real quick.
Come on, little one, he's following you.
Or not.
Sam, come on. Let's go get a drink. No, don't be tearing up the grass.
I'm not going to go too much further. Hey, it's like one big historic site. Hey, Athens, Battle of Athens. Yeah, let's go back the other way now. Like I said, I thought I'd show you some a little bit different areas that I showed you before. Last time I was here. So it's like a part 2. Give or take a little bit. Right. I guess my little dog went to the car already. But just real quick. You got like little orange spots. I'm not just sure what they mean. So you got like little tags on the tree here and a little sign there. But yeah, I'm not gonna go that far. Cause I don't know where it goes and I don't know how far it is. You can get back to the main road here. You can have these small little nuts out here. Yep. I'm not really out here collecting them. Excuse me. Sorry about that, buddy. Yeah, all kind of leaves and ground. A big mess of trees right there. Let's go back and see the dogs here real quick.
One more. Gotta get one more drink. Sam, one more drink. Get another drink.
I guess your head drink, but it says it's still thirsty.
Get another drink, honey. Or lay down and take a bath. All right. Just whatever you do, don't put your hand on top. There's a spider. He bit his tongue. Sam bit his tongue. He's bleeding.
Oh. Yeah. Those are nasty as ever.
Just a little yucky spider.
Those are nasty. I have no idea what kind it is.
All right, you ready to go back and get in the car? Come on. Rennie! Hi, baby. What, did you need a drink too, Bubba? Come on. Rennie. Oh, he's waiting for Papa. Come on, Sam.
I tried running a little bit, see if my dog would catch up to me. Sam wouldn't do that so much. I mean, might have.